Hey, good morning, friends. Do you have been trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty and you want to know when should you exit? Should you exit now? Is it going towards the 18,000? Will it actually sustain that? Or will we get a price rejection there? Or where the market wants to head? Should we exit? Should we actually start accumulating more, or should we actually move out of these positions as the market is overheated? What exactly are we supposed to do? So if you have these questions in mind, watch this video till the end. This is Sriharsha. I'm a stock market trader, investor, and a stock market coach. Daily, I share with you my trading strategy for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and you have been seeing that I have the levels which I share with you. They have more than 90% plus accuracy. You can actually go back and check all the previous videos. So let's get started, guys. If you're still not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead, like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and also be a part of my Telegram channel for all the latest updates. So let's get started. See, market on Friday was in a complete range bound kind of a situation. And since it was in a complete range bound kind of a situation, there was a lot of challenges and confusion with all the traders. Should we continue with that, or should we exit that, or it is going to go down? All those confusions were there. So let's see, where is your what should be your strategy? See, as long as we are above 17,800, I don't see any reason why the market has to come down. So as long as it is about 17,800, you should only look for the long opportunities. But for the intraday, you have to be also a little careful, where you should actually look at longs until where the market can go on today, that is on Monday. So 27th of September, where can the market go? See, according to me, 18,000, 18,050 could be a level at which there could be some profit booking which can happen for the intraday basis. As long as, if suppose we test 18,000, 18,000 to 18,050 will act as a resistance. So there will be some profit booking which is going to come. And as long as we can sustain above 18,000 after that, then actually market is moving towards 18,200 levels. So where are we going to look at this? See, yesterday on Friday, the high we have made is 17,950. As long as we are above 17,950, market should remain on the positive zone. So looking at the future data currently, it is showing as though we are going to start the day above 18,000. If such a thing is going to happen, probably, as I said, see, if you remember on Friday also, I told you for Friday, 17,950 could be one of the high, and then probably the market is going to get into a little sideways kind of a position. Something similar to that I am seeing here also. So what could happen here is, if suppose we start at around 18,000, 18,050, don't actually buy at those levels. See, if we start around 18,000 also, then 18,000 to 18,050 is something which can be tested. And after testing that, there could be a dip which will retest this 17,950. It will try to fill this gap. If it cannot fill the gap also, at least it may come and test. So let us see, because on Friday we have actually uh, completely filled the gap. So probably something similar to that can happen here also for today. So if that is going to happen, that means somewhere around 17,950 it will come back. Then probably again you can look at buying opportunity. So selling is only, see, if you are looking at a intraday purely as a selling, it it should be giving you a price rejection around 18,050. I think 18,000 to 18,050, 18,030, somewhere at these levels there could be some price rejections. But even then, guys, you have to be little careful here. Whatever selling is not more than 50 points or maximum 100 points, and that will be quick. After that, again the price may bounce back. So be very, very careful with your shorting positions. uh, until unless the price rejection comes and the confirmation comes, don't actually initiate any kind of shorting trades. And even if you are doing it, ensure that you put strict stop losses and then only do the trading only after the price rejection happens. And my ideal suggestion will be, wait for the dip to come, and probably this will come in the second half, after 11:30 only, 11:30, 12, 12:30, somewhere in that range only. You may get a dip, and that place where it is going to retest this 17,950, or probably it will go down also a little bit. It will take support. See, 17,900 to 950. If see right now, if we are starting the day at 17,000, around 18,000, as per what we are seeing in the uh, as per we are seeing in the futures, what actually we are seeing in the SGX Nifty and all. If it is starting around 18,000, there are two possibilities. If you start around 18,000, in the first 5-10 minutes or 15 minutes, if it retest this 17,950 nearby to that also, it comes, maybe there is a gap of 10-20 points. If it actually does that and actually again regains this 18,000 and sustain this 18,000, then I don't see any reason for you to go short. You should only go long. And probably this is a pro gap anyway. It is a pro gap which has happened right now, and if that is going to happen, probably it will go and probably test your 18,100 to 150. That also is possible. Anything is possible in the market, guys. So as long as we are above 17,900, 950, market is only on the upside. Don't look at any shorting opportunities. Shorting is very small and you may not make money. Going long is only going to make you money here. And if I have to look at Bank Nifty also, for Bank Nifty, guys, the biggest resistance was at 17,800, 850. That is where all the selling has come. Now, main thing is, it is also having some amount of resistance at 38,150 levels. 120 or something is where it has actually tested twice, and actually it has got some price rejections. See, if Bank Nifty is going to sustain about 38,150, which I have actually given you the levels, if it can sustain about this, Bank Nifty is going to be very, very bullish. It can go and tag 38,500 also. It has all the potential possibilities. So as long as we stay above these resistance levels which I have defined for you, those are the ideal place. Market is more likely to be on the upside. Suppose we, because we are starting the day or above the resistance, and in that case, see, by any chance, if we start this day around 38,000 and we retest this, like what I told you for Nifty also, if we retest this high which we have made, we have made the high somewhere around 17,850 kind of a level. So if sorry, 37,850 kind of a level is where the high is there. If it is going to retest this and moves up very fast, so that means that there is a buying which is happening and the professionals are buying. So they will continue to buy this and actually push the price higher, and they may take it towards the 38,500 kind of a levels, which is very, very likely to possible. So the technical resistance for Nifty is around, I have defined to you also earlier also, technical resistance for Nifty is around 18,000, 150, 200 onwards. That is where the main resistance is going to come. 18,200, 18,250, somewhere at these levels, there could be some amount of rejection in price, and there is a possibility of some sideways movement. Those things are possible in case of that at this stage. But right now, we are looking that the market is more likely to be on the upside. And for Nifty, Bank Nifty, as long as we are actually uh, above 38,000, this high which we have actually, we have been receiving this price rejection. If we can sustain above this, I think Bank Nifty is going to become extremely bullish, because that is the place where there is a bigger resistance which is there. And looking at the way the market has been behaving, I think Bank Nifty is going to start leading the rally right now. And there is all the possibilities in the coming week or in the coming days, we may go towards the 40,000 level for the Bank Nifty. So I would suggest you to be long. Uh, Going short will not make you money, so be long. That is what is the suggestion. And if we are getting if we start the day positive like what we are seeing, and retest this previous day's high very fast in the first 15 minutes, and sustain back above the buying above the 38,000 levels, I think today could be a trending day again. And there could be a good amount of buying interest which can take the markets higher and higher. So be long is my suggestion, and the same thing is for the Nifty. If you're liking the information I'm sharing with you here in this video, guys, go ahead, like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, leave me comments. More the comments you leave, I will actually give you a lot more advice on this and much more in detail in my Telegram channel. Go and join the Telegram channel, Crazy Money with Sri. And for you who are actually putting all the comments in the video here, I'll share with you a separate link from which, if you want to trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty on the option side, I will share with you a separate link on my Telegram channel. So put a comment here, and I will share with you a separate group where you will be able to get these levels and more updates from me for the next 3 to 5 days. Today I'll be having a orientation session also on how you can actually trade and make use of it. So be part of it and take the best advantage. And thank you very much, guys. Have a profitable day, and see you then tomorrow.